In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Smartsheet with attachments. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Sign into your account, and from the home screen, navigate to the workspace where your sheet lives. Workspaces help you keep related sheets, reports, and dashboards organized, so make sure you're in the right one before moving on. Open the sheet you intend to export. Before exporting, it's a good idea to confirm the attachments you need are actually in the sheet and linked to the correct rows. In your grid, locate the upload or attachment column. Click the specific row you want to work with so it's highlighted. This ensures any file you add is attached to that precise row, which is important for tracking later. Open the attachment panel for the selected row. Then click Browse to choose a file from your computer, select the file you want and click Open. Give Smartsheet a moment to upload. You should see a paperclip icon with a count next to the row once the upload completes. If you're adding multiple files, repeat this process and keep an eye on upload progress so you don't leave the page too early. Quick tip, use clear file names and include version details to make exported references easier to understand. When your attachments are in place, return to your workspace view so you can access the sheet's options. Find your sheet in the list, then click the three dots, also known as the More menu, next to its name. Choose Export. Depending on your account and configuration, you may see a prompt or a confirmation. Click OK to proceed. Smartsheet will begin preparing the export and start the download automatically. The exported file will save to your default downloads location. Attachments you added remain associated with their rows in Smartsheet, and depending on the export type and settings, they may be included as separate files in a download or referenced within the exported sheet. After the download finishes, open the exported file and spot check a few rows to confirm everything looks right. If you need a specific file format, you can repeat the export and select the appropriate option from the export menu. A couple of final tips: make sure you have the right permissions to add attachments and export content. Keep the Smartsheet tab open until uploads and exports complete. And if you're sharing the exported files, verify that your team can access any reference attachments as expected. That's it. You've uploaded attachments to the right rows and exported your Smartsheet with those attachments accounted for. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.